2026 BMW M4 Competition are the ultimate driving machine. The 2026 BMW M4 Competition is hearing more powerful, more aggressive, and more refined than ever. A perfect blend of luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology. Performance engine: 3.0 liters twin-turbo inline-6. 530 horsepower, 650 Nm torque. 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.4 seconds. Top speed, 180 miles per hour, with M driver's package. 8-speed M-Steptronic transmission. Exterior design: Brooklyn gray metallic paint. Bold kidney grille with chrome accents. Ice blue laser LED headlights. Sleek aerodynamics with carbon fiber roof. M Sport 20-inch alloy wheels. Luxurious interior. Fully digital M Performance dashboard. Carbon fiber Alcantara trim. M Sport steering wheel with paddle shifters. Premium leather bucket seats. Ambient lighting with multiple modes. Advanced technology. 12.3-inch iDrive infotainment system. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Harman Kardon surround sound system. Adaptive M suspension for ultimate control. M xDrive all-wheel drive system. Price: starting price, $86,000, base model. Fully loaded model, $95,000 plus. The 2026 BMW M4 Competition is more than just a car, it's a statement of power and luxury. If you want the ultimate driving experience, this is the car for you. Would you take it for a spin? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe for more car updates.